I got a lot more diamonds too. I just got new diamonds, by the way. Oh, whoa. Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. Hey, you know what I'm saying? I ain't doing no plan, baby.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bird, coming back with another video. In today's video, I'll be doing a cartoon Air Force One, which you guys probably have seen a lot of people do. But I did my own twist, adding the Kaws like type thing into the shoe, which I created the concept, as you guys can see right here. And they came out pretty damn dope, and I'm ready for you guys to see it. Also, these shoes will be given away to one of you lucky subscribers, so stay tuned to the end of the video to get more information on that. Without further ado, let's get into it. If you guys are wondering why I'm just getting straight to painting, I prepped the shoes off camera using acetone to take off the factory finish of the shoe.
You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.
Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on that bell notification because we will be dropping videos every week. And as I promised you guys, I will be giving these shoes away to one of you lucky subscribers. There are size 11 men. The way to enter this giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram at _birdcustom, then comment done here below on this video, and that's your way of entering the giveaway. And then I'll pick a winner Saturday. So yeah guys, y'all make sure y'all stay updated with my Instagram to find out who won. And yep, until next time guys, your boy Bird and we're out.